Hello, travelers. I'm staying at the Hampton Inn Boston Seaport District Hotel for a weekend in Boston, Massachusetts, in a king bedroom with a sofa bed. Let's go check it out. Starting at the front door, to the left of the door coming into the room, this will be your bathroom. Nice size bathroom. Here you have some hooks to hang up your towels. This is your counter, a big mirror above the counter. On the counter itself will be your body lotion, hand soap, and some tissue. Beneath, you will find toilet tissue, your hand towels, and rags. And over here in this corner will be your hair dryer. And beneath will be your waste basket. Over here will be your towels in this rack right here. Behind here is your shower. It is not a shower tub combination. As we go in here, we will find our shampoo and our conditioner. And there's also a bath soap in here as well if you desire to use that. And in this corner will be your toilet. Coming out of the bathroom, here is your thermostat that will control the room. And here is a standing mirror. When you move this door over and slide it, it will reveal a closet. Here in this closet above, you'll find your safe. Here you'll find your iron, your ironing board, additional linen, and hangers for you to use as you desire. Now going into the main bedroom area now, here are some further hooks here. Here is some storage, big TV, additional storage is here as well. You'll have your drawers over there. You will find your ice bucket and where you can make your teas and your coffee. And here hidden is your fridge. To the left of that is your desk. There will be a lamp here on the desk, a mirror, and beneath it will be your waste basket. And this is the chair that they provide for you at the desk. Now, here is your sofa bed, nice size sofa bed, and a table for you to use so you don't have to use your desk. If you do not want to, you can use this table to eat on or to work on as you desire. And here is the bed, the king bed. On each side of the bed, there's different things. On the right side, here, looking over here, you'll find your telephone and a lamp. This side of the bed, you'll find your lamp and your clock. I'm going to give the room a once over so you could see it in its entirety. So, what do you think about the room, travelers? I think it is a nice size room. Some things you need to know. First of all, it is so close to the port. For those individuals that like to cruise, this would be a great choice for those individuals that cruise out of Boston. It is about a 5 minute walk, depending how fast you walk, just to get to the cruise port. Secondly, if you are an individual that like to drive and would be coming here to drive, the price of parking is not free. So those prices may fluctuate. So make sure you know the current prices of the parking before you get here. I don't want you to be surprised. Three, breakfast is included in the price of the hotel. So for those individuals who like to have breakfast in the morning in their hotel, this hotel provides it. Four, this hotel is different than any other hotel I've ever been in. It is split between two Hilton hotels. One side is Hampton Inn, and the other side is Homewood Suites. One receptionist told me that when you get on the floor, if you go in one direction, it'll be one hotel. If you go in another direction, it will be the other hotel combined in one building. So you can have a different experience. If you come here another time, you could try one hotel one time and try the other hotel the other time and still be in the same building. Family, I hope that you like this review and that it was helpful. Can you do me a favor? Can you like, comment, and subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It will greatly help my channel. And for those returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting the way that you do. And until next time, happy travels.